Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to get your LLC and EIN completely free step by step. This is going to be the most comprehensive guide you will find, and I'll walk you through every single detail to make sure you don't miss a thing. So, let me start by explaining why forming an LLC is such a smart move for your business. You see, an LLC provides crucial liability protection, separating your personal assets from your business ones. This means if something goes wrong with your business, your personal savings and property are protected. Plus, LLCs offer great tax flexibility and can help establish credibility with customers and vendors. Now, the first big decision is choosing which state to form your LLC in. While Delaware and Wyoming are popular choices, I actually recommend forming your LLC in your home state if you're just starting out, because forming in another state often means dealing with extra fees and complicated compliance requirements. You'll need to register as a foreign LLC in your home state anyway if you are doing business there, so it usually just makes more sense to keep things simple. Alright, here's where it gets exciting. While most people think you need to pay hundreds of dollars to form an LLC, I'm going to show you how you can do it completely free. We can file directly with the state and handle the paperwork ourselves. Now, I should mention that some states do have mandatory filing fees that cannot be avoided, but I will show you how to minimize these costs. But before I begin, if you do want some professional help without breaking the bank, I recommend checking out Taylor Brands. They offer a free LLC formation service and can handle all the paperwork for you. They're my go-to and best recommendation for people who want to start an LLC but don't want to handle all the paperwork and everything else themselves. So if you do want to use them, I'll leave a link below for you. With that being said, let us get into the actual steps to set up your LLC for free. First, you'll need to choose a unique business name. Make sure to include LLC or limited liability company at the end. You can check name availability on your state's Secretary of State website. Then you will need to prepare your articles of organization. This document includes basic information about your business, like your company name, address, and registered agent details. Now, speaking of registered agents, you will need one for your LLC. You can actually serve as your own registered agent in most states, which saves you money. The main requirements are having a physical address in the state where you can receive legal documents during business hours. Just remember, your address will be public record, so keep that in mind. Okay, once you have your paperwork ready, you will file it with your state's Secretary of State office. Many states now offer online filing, which is usually the quickest option. The processing time varies by state, but you can typically expect it to take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Now, here's another money-saving tip. Getting your EIN or employer identification number is completely free through the IRS website. You can apply online and receive your EIN immediately. This number is crucial for opening business bank accounts and handling tax matters. The application process is straightforward, but make sure you have your LLC approved first. Okay, so the next step is creating an operating agreement. While not required in every state, it is really important to have one. You can find free templates online that you can customize for your business. This document outlines how your LLC will be managed and helps prevent future disputes. Once you have your LLC formation documents and EIN, you'll want to open a business bank account. This is crucial for maintaining the separation between personal and business finances. Most banks offer free business checking accounts, so shop around for the best options in your area. The truth is, however, forming your LLC is just the beginning. You'll need to maintain it properly to keep your liability protection. This includes filing annual reports, keeping good records, and maintaining separate business finances. I recommend setting calendar reminders for important filing deadlines. Alright, let me wrap this up with some final advice. While doing everything yourself saves money, it does require more time and attention to detail. If you feel overwhelmed, services like Taylor Brands can handle the process for a reasonable fee, and again, I've got a discount link below for you. If you do decide to do everything yourself for free, just remember to keep copies of all of your formation documents in a safe place and stay on top of your state's requirements. Well, that's it for today's guide on getting your LLC and EIN for free. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business journey.